Are you listening?
Hey guys, if you are learning 3D modeling using OpenGL and C++,
Yeah,
you might want to learn from a simple demo or an example.
yeah,
In this demo, I made a scarecrow mostly using Quadric object.
yeah.
Quadric object is a surfaces that can be defined by a quadratic equation such as spheres, cylinders, cones, discs, and so on. But I also use triangle mesh here to make the blows. As you can see here, the neck, arms, and stick are made from cylinders. The head, eyes, hair, and hair twist are made from spheres. And the head, blouse, and skirt are made using cones. You can turn the scarecrow around vertically and horizontally using arrow keys. If you need, you can download the source code from the link in the description box. You can change the shape, color, and the value of different variables and see the outcome. I hope this demo helps you learn more about OpenGL. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!